How to fix Free Fire sound not working issue on iPhone. So if you want to fix your Free Fire sound not working issue on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your Free Fire application. Now, after opening your Free Fire, you just need simply go with settings, which will be on the top right. And now you have to select the sounds section, which is here on the left side, because this is the most setting where people make mistakes. So first, make sure music sound effect is actually turned on. So go with sound effects, turn it on, go with music, turn it on, and then kill streak notification. Just keep it as it is, but make sure that the music and sound effects is turned on to 100. And if you want to hear the character voice, then you can go and turn it on also. But if you don't want to, then you can go and turn it off. And the next thing you have to do is go to the voice chat section. And under the voice chat, you need to turn on the voice for 100%. And the next thing is audio balance, which is automatic and manual. You'll have two options. So what it basically does is if you enable it to automatic, then every time you're going to use your button to just increase the volume, then what's going to happen is it will just increase or decrease the volume automatically if you select automatic. Or if you go with manual, you need to manually press the buttons. After that, you will have the active in device background. You can just turn it on or off. Once you've done with all of these settings, as you can see that I've turned it on. Now, once you've done with all of these settings, you just need simply go back and check if your sound is fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go back. Now, just go back and open up your settings. Now, under settings, you will have this kind of interface, right? So here you need to just scroll down and then you will find an option of accessibility. Tap on accessibility, and from here you need to scroll down again and then go with audio and visual section. Under audio and visual section, you need to scroll all the way down and you'll find the balance. Make sure that the balance is not too high in the left or on the right. Make sure that it is in between, which is 0.00. Make sure that's between, and it might fix your problem. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then just go back and then go with the general section. And under general, you need to go with iPhone storage. And under iPhone storage, here you need to scroll down and find the Free Fire application. Once you find your Free Fire application, you need to tap on it. And then you will find an option of offload app. You need to just go and offload the application of your Free Fire. Once you've offloaded, you need to go back and then open up your Play Store or your App Store. And after opening your App Store, you need to search for Free Fire. And once you've searched, you need to go and install Free Fire again once you offload the application. After that, go and restart, and it will fix your Free Fire sound not working issue on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.